Today, we're going to be talking about the world. Today, I want to start out in Italy. Italy was famous for Rome.
You stupid kid, you ruined my shot. Oh, no. Stop. Have mercy. Dumb animal.
Hey, kid. It's me, Manny Zander. Today, we're going to be learning about the world.
Hey, you little punk. You ruined my show. That's what you get for messing with Manny Zander. Dumb animal. Okay, retake.